Hi everyone! I want to show you something special today. I just got these new Shimmer tights and honestly, I'm in love. Just look at that glow. The texture is so incredibly soft and smooth to the touch. They have this perfect pearlescent finish that catches every bit of light. They feel so high quality and comfortable on the skin. There's something so satisfying about the way they look when I move. It's that classic, expensive glam look that makes any outfit pop. I've been looking for the perfect pair of glossy tights for a while, and these seem to be the ones. Everything about them is just flawless. But you know me. As much as I love this clean, perfect aesthetic, a part of me feels like it's a bit too safe. They are beautiful, yes, but do they have enough character? Do they represent that rebellious side of my style? I started thinking, what if I transform them? What if I take this elegance and give it a bit of an edge? It's almost a shame to ruin something so pristine. But sometimes you have to break something to create something even better. Are you ready to see what I have in mind? Here goes nothing. Goodbye, perfection. Hello, chaos. I'm going for a raw, punk-inspired look. I want these cuts to look intentional but messy, creating a contrast between the shiny fabric and the skin. Look at how the texture changes. It's no longer just about the shimmer, it's about the layers, the holes, and that undone vibe. It feels so much more me now. This isn't just about ruining a pair of tights. It's about customization. It's about taking something mass-produced and making it unique. And here is the final result. From classic elegance to pure punk rock energy, I think the way they look now is so much more interesting and bold. They have this distressed aesthetic that works so well with boots and an oversized jacket. I'm obsessed with the outcome. But now I want to hear from you. Did I make a huge mistake? Or is this a total fashion win? Let me know in the comments. Team Classic or Team Punk?